Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the heated seats or ventilated seats. It's the same fuse for both. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse is located, common mistakes people make when replacing the fuse that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, and why it's super important to test fuses and how to do that. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So it should work on V6, V8, specifically we have a 2018 year model. Most people, guys, will think that it's in that fuse box under the hood, but it's not there, it's in a different location. Sometimes, okay, if you had a short in the system or anything like that, the fuse was burned, sometimes you may need a computer to reset the modules, guys, in order for the functions to run correctly after fuse replacement. So you may need a scanner like that, and many of you requested in the comment section below our videos to recommend good scanner because the market is flooded with scanners nowadays. This is amazing scanner that works on almost any car you can think of. I will, guys, put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it works on almost any car, and you can access every computer system. And some of those new cars like this BMW has more than 60 computers, guys, so a scanner like that is a must. Check out the link for more information. So you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, you need to lift up the trunk liner, and right here you're going to have the spare tire and the car battery. Now, here, guys, people make 3 common mistakes. Number 1, when replacing fuses, relays, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery, otherwise you can burn electronics, modules, computers, guys. Number 2, people often do not know that, but it's really important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can actually, guys, burn modules and computers. How we know that? We burned the airbag module on Mercedes C-Class that cost us $2,000. Number 3, we have the fuse box right here. We need to open it by pressing here, like that, and lift it up. The third mistake people make, they do not test fuses and relays. Fuses, they just look at them and assume that, okay, they can tell they're burnt or not. But sometimes the fuse may look perfectly fine, but it's a bad fuse. Sometimes it's really hard to tell. So always test them, otherwise you may just waste your time and money on parts that you don't need, guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. So, which fuse we need now? I'm going to go ahead and remove that relay, so we have a little bit more room, okay? Now once you remove the relay, guys, you're going to notice that right here, okay, that first fuse in that fuse box here, that first fuse, okay, that after that empty space, it's a 20 amp fuse. That's the fuse, guys, for the front heated or ventilated seats. Just use the fuse puller, pull it out, replace it, and you're ready to go. Don't forget to install the relay after that, okay, because that relay is super important. Let me see exactly which way it goes. This is known as relay 28, and this is for the rear defroster, and if you have the 6.2 engine, it's for the fuel pump. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.